हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं फिर से सुजीत आप लोगों के सामने क्लास 9 चैप्टर 2 पॉलिनोमियल. I didn't start with the chapter 1. I haven't given any video regarding the chapter 1 because I've dealt many with the real number and rational numbers. We'll give you later on. I thought to start with this the name of the chapter is polynomial. It is the second chapter in class 9. And you could see it here. I made an arrow in both the parts and I have highlighted this. Yes, of course, this is the name of chapter and this is the topic we are going to deal with here in this chapter. And again, before beginning, I hope I am very sure of the word polynomial. You definitely would have been familiarized with this word. ठीक है, आप जानते हो नहीं जानते हो. So let us tell me to begin the chapter. What are the topics to be covered in the chapter? The very first is introduction of the polynomial. आप पहले से भी कुछ इसके बारे में जानते होंगे. आप जो जानते हो, जो आप पढ़ने जा रहे हो, that would be told here. After introducing the polynomial, we'll come to the second topic to be covered in this chapter. The name is polynomials in one variable. After the introduction, then third, probably this would be a complete new topic to you all. The name is zeros of polynomial. Then the next, remainder theorem. This remainder theorem, this would be complete new to you all and you definitely will enjoy once you will have a concept. You will know the meaning of remainder theorem. We'll give you examples. And the fifth topic to be covered, which is factorization of polynomials. And the last, you will have algebraic identities. And let me tell you one very important thing, dear children. Normally, this is not habit of the children to see. In the last, it is given in the chapter, which is called summary. I recommend you all, please, whenever you are completing your chapter, whenever you are finishing your chapter, please go through one summary. It will give you a final assessment of the chapter. So, we'll start with the introducing the polynomial first, because the name of the chapter is polynomial. So, but the first topic to be covered, before going ahead, as a chapter we all are covering, we will have to introduce. So the first topic will have introduction, and how it is introduced in NCERT. Let me go along with NCERT because yes, I always recommend to go honestly with the NCERT. It is one of the important books to you all. So how it is introduced in the NCERT, the polynomials. It has started to talk about algebraic expression. You all would have dealt with algebraic expression in the class 8th. Now you are in class 9th, and about the polynomial also it was said you a bit. I am not going to ask you what do you know about the polynomial, but how it is introduced here. It talks about some algebraic expression and algebraic identities. You could recall someone, suppose x plus y whole square is equals to, this is x whole square plus twice xy plus y whole square. One more, x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus twice xy plus y whole square. One more, I am just taking here, x square minus y square is equals to x plus y in one bracket and x minus y in one bracket. So these all are called algebraic identities. And you would have also, you all would have studied in the class 8th the operations of the algebraic expressions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. You all would have done it already in the class 8th. Here we'll talk about a polynomial which is a part of algebraic expression. Polynomial is a part of a algebraic expression. So here this polynomial is being introduced right now in the way it is simply a part of the algebraic expression. This is something about the introduction and terminology related to the polynomial. So the algebraic expression, finally I am telling you algebraic expression is called the polynomial. Right now this much only about the introduction part, and later on when how we'll approach to the next topic. So what is the next topics we have when we'll go polynomial in one variable? Then the next topic we have, just let me come on the next topic, and probably you will have a more details about the polynomial. That's why I am not wasting the time to deduce and to say too much about the polynomial. The second topic is polynomials. What it was written the second topic? The second topic which I have given you earlier, polynomials in one variable. Before I can start, I hope a bit you all came to know about the polynomials, such as algebraic expression. So okay, let me tell you in a very short what's the algebraic expression. If anybody will come and claim, oh, we don't know about the algebraic expression, and as you said, the polynomial is the part of algebraic expression. So let me try to define in a common concept. It's not a conventional definition I am giving you. It's my motto to make you understand. So what is the algebraic expression? It is a combination of constant and variables. Yes, 3x is algebraic expression, 3x plus 5 is algebraic expression. Like it was written earlier, a plus b whole square is equals to is x plus y whole square is equals to 2x square plus y square plus 2xy. So these all were the algebraic expression. So polynomial is the part of algebraic expression. That was algebraic identity. So 3x square plus 5x is algebraic expression. X cube plus 5x square is the algebraic expression. So these are the algebraic expression. And here the name is polynomials in one variable. I am just giving you example before going ahead. 3x plus 5. This is algebraic expression. This is a polynomial. How many variables we are using here? 1. Suppose I am writing second example. This is x square plus 5x plus 7. How many variables we are using in this? Only one variable. What is the variable we are going to use here? X. I am giving one more example. Suppose here I am writing 3p square plus 2p plus 7. How many variables we are using? Only one. So this is something I want to convince you, I want to tell you about the polynomials in one variable. Now it says, it arises a question where it would be used in day-to-day life. Whenever we are going to